So how much money does a YouTube video with 51,000 views actually make a YouTuber with like 6,000 subscribers here on YouTube? Now, whatever you're thinking right now, I can almost guarantee that you're wrong and it's probably higher than what you're thinking. Now, on April 3rd, guys, I uploaded a video called The Earnin app. Is it a scam or is it not a scam? And that video ended up getting like around 51,000 views. And when I uploaded that video, I didn't really think much of it. I just wanted to upload the video because I kept seeing ads on the video and I was like, okay, I need to make this video because it's not what it seems, and I just want to clarify things for everyone out there. Now, I do want to say this: the average YouTuber here on the platform makes around between $500 to $10,000 off a 1 million view video. Now, I can tell you this, guys. If you're wondering, well, Tommy, I just have to do some quick math. The answer is this: my CPM, how much money I make per 1,000 views, is almost between 10 to 50 times higher than the average YouTuber. So whatever you're thinking right now, it's probably much higher. So if you want to find out exactly how much a 51,000 view video actually made me on this channel with only 6,000 subscribers, I recommend you actually watch till the end of the video. Now, guys, if you don't know me, my name is TommyBryson. I'm an accountant and I upload videos on YouTube every single day. Daily content. One of the only people on YouTube that still makes daily content. So if you want to keep up with all the videos that are coming out on a daily basis, make sure you click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is literally every single day. On top of that, do me a favor, hit the like button, smash it, hip thrust it, do whatever you can do to the like button because it really helps the channel out a ton. And I want to ask you one question. Let me know in the comments down below, how much money do you think a 51,000 view video actually made me on this channel? Comment down below. Don't cheat. Don't go to the end of the video to actually find out. Comment down below right now and let me know. So now that you commented, I want to clarify one thing. Tommy, how do people get paid on YouTube and how does it actually work? The answer is this: it's all based on CPM, cost per mil or cost per mile, whatever you want to call it. I'm not French. And here's how it works, guys. Every YouTuber out there gets paid based on 1,000 views and usually get paid between $1 all the way up to $50, even $80 sometimes. Now, here's the main thing I do want to clarify. You have to be a partner to get paid on YouTube. So that's 1,000 subscribers and 250,000 minutes watched. That's around 4,000 hours of your content watched, which is a lot if you ask me. On top of that, here's another thing. Every single person out there has a fluctuating CPM based on the video content and based on how it works. Now, here's why it fluctuates. Because every single type of content is different, thus the ads that are displayed on that content are different, and those advertisers are willing to pay different amount of money based on what that content is basically about. For example, if I do a gaming video, that video is going to get a little bit less CPM because, hey, it's gaming. A lot of people make gaming videos and I really can't sell a lot of products on a gaming video. But if it's a video on finance, then, and all the viewers are from America, then usually I can make a lot more money from that video. On top of that, you might be asking me, Tommy, well, if people make more money based on the content they make, well, should I just make content around something that makes a lot of money? The answer is this: from personal experience, I've been doing YouTube since like 2015, and prior to that, I can tell you this: I did daily vlogging for around 150 days straight and I was miserable. I did not like it and I managed to make around $80 for those like 3 years of work, okay? And here's the thing, my recommendation is this: do something that you enjoy doing and just don't even worry about the money. Just worry about making valuable content that's really good and your audience will love. Once that starts going on, your money will start reflecting your content. So in reality, your money is a reflection of your content. So if you're not earning any money, then you're probably not making good enough content. On top of that, I want to say this, guys. The only reason I make videos about finance is because I love making videos about finance. I love making videos about app reviews. I love making videos about passive income because it really matters to me a lot, if you haven't noticed. And I wouldn't be making videos about this topic if I didn't like it. And if I didn't like it, people could probably see it through the camera and say like, hey, this guy's just here for the money. He's not really authentic and I'm not going to support him, and neither am I going to subscribe. And that's what it's really all about. And it might seem corny, but it is the truth. So comment down below and let me know, does this make sense so far? Do you understand how CPM actually works, how videos actually make money on YouTube, and do you understand how important it is to actually make content that you actually care about and that you actually love? Well, now that you commented, I'm assuming that you commented. It's very important that you comment. Here's my thing. Tommy, how much money did you make from a 51,000 view video on YouTube? The answer is this. Let's use one of my favorite techniques to actually calculate everything. And the answer is this, guys. I am a very competitive guy. I'm very competitive. I'm always looking at the competition. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to compare my channel to a few other channels that range from 1 million subscribers, 200,000 subscribers, and even 700,000 subscribers. And I'm going to tell you exactly how much those videos made from 1 million views. And then I'm going to show you how much money I made from 51,000 views. Now, I can guarantee you that you will be surprised about how much money this one video actually managed to make from 51,000 views from a person with only 6,000 subscribers, I think, at this point. So just stick around to actually find out exactly how much money it made. Now, the first person we're actually going to compare the channel to is actually Shelby Church. Now, she has around 1.2 million subscribers, and on top of that, she had a video with around 2.2 million views, and that video only made around $743 and around 58 cents. Now, her CPM, which is the cost per mile, the cost per mil, whatever you want to call it, is around between $1 all the way up to $18, depending on the type of video she actually makes. Now, I do want to say this. Her entire channel is based around like a lot of different things. Like sometimes it's about money, sometimes it's about life, sometimes it's about Tesla reviews, like a whole bunch of different things. So she has a very unique channel in that case, and she has a lot of subscribers, and I was very surprised to actually find out she really didn't make that much money. But I do have to say, guys, since she does make a wide range of videos, sometimes some of her videos that do get around like 1 million views and more, she can get anywhere between $500 all the way up to $2,000 and sometimes even $3,000, okay? But it all ranges because of the type of content she actually makes. Now, the second person, by the way, let me know in the comments down below, are you surprised that a video with 2.2 million like views only get around $700? Like, let me know, because I was surprised, you know, when I first saw this. Now, the second person we're actually going to be comparing to is actually Regis, the entrepreneur. Now, Regis has around 258,000 subscribers. That's around like what, like 40 times more than I have. And for getting like around 1.3 million views, he got paid around $3,706. Now, everything for his channels around entrepreneurship, reselling, and about making money. So that's why he gets much more money than Shelby actually gets, you know, because it's all based on CPM. That's all based on the type of content you actually create. Now, here's my thing, guys. Regis' CPM is around $5.50 according to him in that video. But I do want to clarify something. Funny enough, the video that he made about making 1 million views or whatever you want to call it, well, that video ended up getting more views than the original video that got the 1 million views. So in reality, his video talking about the 1 million views got around 2.2 million views. In reality, I think he made around maybe $6,000 from that video, which is pretty cool. So congratulations to you, Regis. Like, I'm very happy for you. Now, the last channel I actually want to compare my channel to is actually Graham Stephan. Now, everyone knows out there, I'm a big fan of Graham, and I actually like his content, and I'm always on his comment section. So I really enjoy his content. And here's the thing. Graham made around from 1.2 million views on a credit card video. He made around $7,293 and around 2 cents. Now, there's a lot of money, and again, it's all because of his CPM, and he makes around 10 to 20 times higher than every single average YouTuber out there when it comes to CPM rates. And I have to say this, guys, some of his videos actually make more than that credit card video, all dependent on the topic that he's actually making those videos around. And I just want to clarify one thing, guys. Graham has been doing this stuff for around the past 2 years, making content consistently, and he's been putting in a lot of work. So every success he has right now, he deserves it. But I like comparing myself to him because, again, I'm very, very competitive, and it's one of the best ways for me to actually compete and grow my channel is by looking at people that are doing things a lot on a higher level and just being like, okay, what can I do differently? What can I do better? And how can I improve on what he's doing? Okay, so again, Graham, congrats, kudos to you for making so much money on your first 1 million view. I hope I get one of those. So now that you have 3 different channels to actually compare to, which is Shelby, Regis, and Graham, I want you to comment down below and let me know which one of these channels were you actually surprised by the most. And now that you commented, it's time to jump into Tommy's channel. Now, Tommy has around 5.6 thousand subscribers, I think, at this point. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but I have around 5.6k subscribers right now, and I get around 50,000 views or 51,000 views on a video, and that video made me a lot of money. Now, here's the thing I actually want to clarify, guys. I've been making videos on YouTube since 2015, and for the first 3 years of my entire YouTube career, I made around 80 bucks. Yes, 80 bucks. And I made around 150 views. And I made around 150 videos, all the way up to 200 videos, and I had multiple channels. So in reality, I put in more than 10,000 hours, and my return was only about $80. So I don't want you guys to think, oh my gosh, Tommy makes so much money now. No, it's been a long time coming, and I've been making videos like since I was like 12 years old, by the way. So you might say, oh my gosh, he makes so much money now, but in reality, it's been a long time and it's a lot of work. So it's all about compounding growth and just like compounding and compounding and just keep growing every single day. Oh, and just to put it into perspective, guys, back in 2015 or 2016, my highest payday on YouTube, was around $2. Like, it was $2 in one day. And I remember, I think I called my girlfriend. I was like, hey, I made $2 from a video on YouTube in one day. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. It's so crazy. And she said to me, Tommy, that's great. That's incredible. And you're going to get better and better. So just keep going and keep going. And it kind of gets me a little bit like, nibble here and there, because thinking back to those times, guys, it's kind of insane to see like how far I've come now. And you're probably wondering at this point, Tommy, it's time to get into the facts. How much money did you make? And here it is, guys. From a video with 51,000 views, I made around $1,511 and around 5 cents. Now, you might be surprised by this to actually find out that I make a lot more money than the average YouTuber, right? I make around like 10 to 50 times higher than the average YouTuber out there. And it's all because a few little details that a lot of people don't really know, but I am going to share with you here. But before I do that, comment down below and let me know, are you surprised that one video with 51,000 views made me around $1,511.05? Are you surprised that you don't need a million views to make this amount of money? Comment down below and let me know. Now, I want to share with you guys some secrets on how I managed to make so much money from my videos every single day. Now, I want to say this, guys. On average, I make between $30 all the way up to $120 on YouTube every single day currently. Again, back in 2015, my highest day was around $2. So it's been a long, entire night to actually get to this point. So it's been a long time, a lot of work, but I'm happy I'm here and I'm happy I made it to this point. Now, I want to clarify something. Tommy, why do you get paid so much? The answer is this. It's all about the content I make and the content genre that I actually make. I make videos about finance, app reviews, and also passive income and everything in finance and actually growing your income and actually growing your passive income also. Second thing is this, Tommy. What about the view location? And also, what about the type of content you make and how often you actually post? And the answer is this. All my viewers usually come from America, okay? Most of you guys are American, and I know that because look at the analytics. On top of that, I post videos every single day, and I'm the only YouTuber that posts videos every single day, and it's been over 150 days of me posting videos consistently every single day. So that definitely has something to do to the reason why I earn so much money on YouTube. It's daily content, okay? So when you put into perspective, I make 30 videos every single month, and I make around like $3,000 off YouTube every single month also. So you can do some quick math and actually figure out like, hey, this is how much money he actually makes per video. And then you actually find out that I don't really make that much money compared to how much volume and quality and value I actually release every single day. But again, I don't really care about the money. I care about the content and the value I'm actually handing out, because again, content and value and money is a reflection of how you are actually doing. So my money going up also means that my video quality is also going up also, just to clarify that. And another bonus tip, guys, is that one, I'm highly competitive, so I'm always like trying to do things differently and better than the other person. And second thing is this, if you notice something, if you leave a comment on my videos, and I ask for a lot of comments, I respond to every single comment. I think there's no one on the channel can actually say like, hey, he never responds to my comments. I respond to all my comments, all my DMs. I'm very engaging when it comes to my channel, because I know that if you guys take the time to comment on my videos, I'm going to take the time to respond to you guys and give you guys value through there also. So it's all about all those little details in the mix to actually get to this point of making so much money from one video. So comment down below and let me know, guys, do you think $1,500 off of 50,000 views, do you think that's a lot of money? Do you think it's not a lot of money? Comment down below and let me know. And I want to tell you something before I actually leave, guys. Again, I've been making videos since I was like 12 years old. And when I was actually 12 years old, I was making videos about Call of Duty. If you actually search on YouTube, you probably will find videos of me when I was 12 actually making those videos. And guys, I want to say this, okay? I've been making no money from YouTube for the past 3 years, and that stopped me a lot of the times, and I gave up a lot of times. But one thing kept me going is the fact that I just want to keep spreading value, and I want to grow into something that no one has ever seen before. And to be honest, guys, money is great, and I care a lot about money, like a lot, you know, but it's not the most important thing to me, because to me, money is just like a report card, you know? It's like my A's and my B's, and it just shows me like, hey, you're doing great here, you're not doing so great here, and that's how I assess my success. But in reality, guys, money is not that important. Focus on the content, focus on making great content. And before I got to the point of making my first like $1,000 on YouTube, it took me around 4 years. So if I really only cared about money, I would have never made it this far. And it's like kind of surreal to actually think about like, hey, I went from $0 for the first 4 years and making content when I was 12 years old and giving up like 1,000 times because no one really believed in me, to reaching this point actually saying like, hey, I'm gonna keep going, I'm gonna keep hustling, I'm gonna keep fighting for what I want. That's all that really matters. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you liked about it. On top of that, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. On top of that, make sure you hit the like button and spread this video around, because every time you hit the like button, it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it also helps this channel grow a ton. So I really appreciate when you hit the like button. On top of that, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, uno a uno, just DM me on Instagram at TommyBryson. Again, I answer 100% of my DMs, 1,000%, okay? And I answer all my comments. On top of that, guys, if you want to talk to all of us here in the community, go ahead and join us on Discord. The link in the description down below. But I want to warn you guys, only 100 people are allowed in the entire like Discord. After those 100 people actually join, we're gonna be closing it down until 2020. So get in while you still can. I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace.
You've got to start at the bottom if you're ever gonna reach